Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on yet another one of our videos. We're super excited to bring you another episode of what we're doing here at the shop this week. So a pretty special vehicle. So it is a BMW. We love BMWs. They will always be in our hearts. So we got a BMW Z4 that is painted in individual green. So this is a matte finish from the factory. So just want to show you right out the get-go. So this is not a wrap. This is not vinyl wrap. This is not stealth wrap. This is actual paint. So it looks gorgeous. Beautiful green. This is the same color that comes on the CS M5s. So what they unveiled it in. So we got this. A couple pieces already plotted out. So the customer, obviously we went back and forth and we told him you have to wrap the whole entire vehicle in Xpel Stealth, because what's going to happen is if you ever get marks or scratches on the finish, you will not be able to fix it. You will not be able to get anything out. If you try to polish that paint, if you get any, scratches or anything in it, you will make the finish glossy and shiny. So that's something you do not want to do. So to preserve the finish, to keep it looking nice and easy to clean and just a peace of mind, rare color. It's a manual too, so I wanted to point that out for you. So there you go. That is a manual gearbox. So I guess they're not going to be making these anymore. In a manual, they're going to be changing things up. So these will be, to a certain extent, very desirable. But anyways, to protect finish like this, you want to put type Xpel PPF over it. So stealth is what's going to go on this one is stealth. So we're going to protect it and keep that finish. From the factory, however, as you can see right here, there is film installed on the lower part here. And as you can see, it makes the finish shiny. So what we're going to do is remove it. We're going to wrap the whole entire fender, rocker panel, in the Xpel Stealth, and then we're going to reinstall another piece like this. As you can see, the finish below is satin or matte, and then we're going to reinstall a triangle like this as well, not in the gloss, but we're going to keep install it in satin, to keep it more uniform. So that'll add double protection at the bottom there. And without further ado, we're going to jump on it right in. The vehicle has been already washed, clay barred, prepped, and we're going to hop on the plotter, the computer, going to start plotting everything out, installing the film. So we'll take you on the journey and show you the end results. So hang on tight and enjoy the show. Alright, so we are on day 2 of wrapping the Z4. Matte PPF, going on matte paint. Oh boy. Let me know if you like the GT3. That thing sounds so good. Or maybe the Z6 sounds better. Let me know. So anyways, slight difference. Makes it a little bit more matte. As you can see between the door and the hood, very slight difference. And again, personally, I think this looks a little bit better than that. This has a little bit more of a sheen to it. So we're going to continue wrapping everything. Probably get this car done today. Roman's working on the gloss black parts. So these parts we're wrapping in Xpel Black. It just looks better, cleaner. And the goal, Alright, so the Z4 is nearing completion. We just have the 2 bumpers left, front and back. We had a little bit of an issue with film, so we had new film come in, ready to throw on just the 2 bumpers, get that finalized, finish up with the ceramic coating. I'm so excited to get this car outside and show you what it looks like. I mean, it just looks so good. Again, I've pointed it out before, but the Stealth makes it look a tad bit better in my opinion, or in our opinion at the shop, than the factory paint. The factory paint still has a little more sheen to it that it's cool, but this mats it down just enough where it doesn't look like primer too flat and just looks spot on. So we'll knock this one out, start on the Z06 today, get the front end and rockers done today as well, and get started on the Urus, because that thing has to leave on Thursday. It's been here for a couple weeks. Customer was not in a hurry, but we need to get the cars out because we have more cars coming in. So the quicker we get vehicles out, the more work we can get done. Show you the finished result when the vehicle is outside.